So, we are back with the grade 11 topic functions and applications, and we are seeing how to determine if a relation is a function. We are going to look at for graphs today. So, if you have been given a graph or you are have sketched a graph and you want to see whether that relation is a function, what we are going to use is something called as VLT. That's a vertical line test. So, what happens is that if you have a graph, what you're going to do is you will draw a vertical line on the given graph. And if that vertical line intersects your graph at only one point, then it is a function. So, let's look here. The first graph that we have is a linear uh, relation. What we are going to do is we are going to draw a vertical line through in this graph. So when I do that, I see that my vertical line intersects my graph at one point. If I draw another line as well, I see that it is intersecting my graph at only one point. So in this case, this is a function. This is a function. Let us look at our second graph, that's a parabola. We will draw a vertical line and we see that the vertical line has intersected our graph here. We draw another one and we see that the vertical line has intersected here. That means when we draw a vertical line, it is intersecting our graph at only one point. So this is also a function. Now we have here a sideways parabola. Let's draw a vertical line. But when we do this, we see that our line has intersected our given graph at two distinct points. And therefore, this is not a function. We have a graph here for a circle graph. We are going to test our vertical line test. And when we draw this line, we see that once again our line is intersecting our graph at two different points, and therefore this is not a function. So, in order to check whether our graphs are function or not, we are going to use the vertical line test.